Are you really good at what you do, whether you're a corporate professional or an entrepreneur? But when it comes to I call it your dressy casual wardrobe, you question, do you have the right pieces? You question, I'm not sure how to create that dressy casual wardrobe because your wardrobe has changed over the last couple years, and maybe you're not wearing the jackets or the suits, or just that a little bit more elevated look, and that is missing in your wardrobe, whether it is for work or whether it is for casual. Hi, I'm Annette Bond, certified image consultant, and I work with successful, amazing women just like you, helping you to go from feeling off to rocking a signature look that is uniquely you, so that you are on brand. You are dressing with ease. You are stepping into your excellence. And today I want to talk about that dressy casual wardrobe, but we're only going to talk about pants. And so you're thinking, okay, I have my jeans and I have my trousers, and that may be you. And maybe you only have one or two pairs of jeans. So I want to introduce you to some new pieces, new thoughts on how do you bring forth that dressy casual look. So I purposely today wore one of my favorite t-shirts. I love this. I love the Pima cotton, and I feel like it has that dressy casual look. So what I want to do is I want to show you how do you pair it with three other pieces in your wardrobe. And I like to say so that you can wear it at three different levels. So what do I mean by that? So first of all, right now, and you can't see them, but I have on a pair of Joseph Ribkoff, a pair of trouser pants. They have elastic around the waist. They are a little dressier. I wear them with my pumps. So I'm kind of, again, that dressy casual. I have my pant is a little dressier, but my top is a little bit more casual. So that can be level one, which is a very kind of business approach, but still that dressy casual. Okay, the next level we're going to go at is a jean, and I did talk about that. This happens to be a straight leg jean. It's an ankle jean. There is no right or wrong silhouette. It could be that ankle jean. It could be the flared leg. It could be a straight leg. And that's the other beauty, as I'm going to just kind of stop for a minute, is many times we wear the same silhouette over and over and over, and it feels like you're wearing the same jean. Try out several different silhouettes. And I do want you to honor your body type versus just going for another silhouette because it's different. But do honor your body type, but try some different silhouettes. So if I want to take my outfit down a notch from where I am right now, guess what? I could put on a pair of jeans and wear it with the same t-shirt. Now, the one thing that I also do that you may not think about is, yes, it's okay to add accessories and jewelry to give you that dressy casual feel. So if you've been watching me for a while, I love pearls, but what I love about these, and I'm going to give a shout out to my friend Kathy Sparkman, who is a jewelry designer, is I purposely bought this necklace because it is a little bit more casual. So it has the pearl, but it also has this black rubber with it. So it is definitely a little bit more of a casual pearl kind of look. And then I also have on her pearl earrings. So I've taken the t-shirt, I've taken the jeans, but I've added accessories to give it that little bit more wow factor that I personally like. I also added my blue ring. So have fun with your dressy casual, and think of those two words. One piece is casual, and it may be a couple of the other elements that you're wearing are a little bit more dressy. Okay, couple other options. This is a pant I recently bought. I wanted to show you the pockets here. It's a Lululemon pant. It looks like a jean, so it has the, actually I'm gonna take that off the hanger and just show you here. So it has the front pockets and it has the back pockets. So again, I call this kind of my dressy casual. And I can wear it with a variety of shoes, but most people don't know it's a Lululemon fabric, so it is over the top, ultra comfortable. Again, I'm dressy, but I'm also casual. And when I say even for this, it's a casual feel. I'm not wearing my business trouser. I know when I wear these, I can move and I can feel very comfortable. I'm gonna give you one last, I said I'm gonna give you 3 tips. I'm actually gonna give you 4. This is another option, especially as we're moving into spring and summer, and this is a skirt. Now, I'm kind of giggling a little because I've always loved skirts, and they were always a little bit hard to find. Guess what? Come this spring, we are in spring 2022, I am seeing skirts everywhere. So here I have a skirt, and as I like to call it, a skirt with benefits. So you have the running, what do you want to call this? The short underneath, if you will, the spandex short underneath your skirt. So again, it's a little dressier because it's a skirt, but it's also very casual. I literally will ride my bike in this skirt. I will dress this up and I'll wear it out to dinner. So I love the option of having those basic pieces. And as you notice, my pieces are black. They do not have to be black. But what I am going to encourage you is to think about having a neutral. So whether it's navy or black or camel or white, so that you can mix and match those pieces. So if you have loved what you have heard, I want to invite you to go to my private Facebook group, and it's called Style with Significance. And it is a place for us to talk, us girls, to talk more about style, and you have questions, or maybe it's a little bit more personal. I would invite you to join me for this at the Style with Significance private Facebook group.